How to fix no audio in your OBS Studio. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can check or rectify the issue of no audio in your OBS Studio. So the first thing obviously that you're going to do after opening your OBS Studio is to check whether there is any activity in the mic or auxiliary interfere here. So within this interface, you can see that currently there are green, yellow, and red lines. And as I speak, this means that the microphone is working correctly and audio is being recorded by the microphone. So apart from this, if you think that there is no activity here, then there is a high chance that there is an issue with the hardware itself. So it is best to check the hardware or the connection, especially if it is a wired one. So there are a lot of chances of breakdowns. Now if the audio is getting recorded here, you can also check if there are any filters applied. So you can go to filters and it should be blank, or there should not be any voice suppressing filters, which could be a reason. Apart from that, you can also go to advanced audio properties, and from here you can also check if your mic or auxiliary is showing active or not. So it should show active. Apart from that, you also have audio monitoring as well to rectify this. If you think that this is only occurring in the OBS, so you can check for other background activities like any other application that might be using your microphone. So that should not be the case. So it is best that you close that application and then restart your OBS Studio. Or if the issue pertains and continues, so what you can do is simply try to uninstall and reinstall the OBS Studio, and hopefully that will rectify your issue. So let us know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.